Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study during night. First, establish a dedicated study zone that is free from noise and well illuminated. Ensure you have all your books, notes, and supplies ready before you begin. This preparation saves valuable time and keeps your focus sharp. Setting specific, realistic goals for each session helps you stay on track and feel accomplished. Remember, a structured environment is key to effective night studying. To maximize your night study, try the Pomodoro technique. Study intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Tackle your most challenging subjects early in the evening when your mind is freshest. This ensures you give them your best attention. Also, keep a water bottle nearby and sip regularly. Proper hydration is crucial for cognitive function and sustained energy. During your night study, incorporate short, active breaks. Stand up, stretch, or walk around for about 10 minutes to boost circulation and re-energize your mind. Be mindful of your diet. Avoid large meals and too much caffeine in the later hours to prevent digestive issues and sleep disruption. Maintain a comfortable room temperature, ideally around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, to create an optimal learning environment and prevent drowsiness. As you conclude your night study, take a few minutes to quickly review the main points you covered. This helps solidify the information in your memory. Before completely winding down, jot down your priorities for the next day. This clears your mind, reducing any lingering stress about upcoming tasks, and prepares you for a restful sleep. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Prioritizing sleep after studying is vital for information retention and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.